Hey Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video, please ignore the heating pad I have on right now. Over the past week, I have gotten adult torticollis, which is very rare in adults, but super common in babies. But basically my neck muscles like right here started acting up, and it started twisting my neck kind of like in this direction until where I went to the doctor and I was twisted like this and I couldn't move it. So it's actually a good stretch that I have the camera right here because it's actually stretching my neck right here. Anyway, so today's video is a huge announcement. So if you've been following me on Twitter or Instagram, I put that I had a special announcement I was going to reveal on the 18th. And I'm going to reveal that in this video, and I'm going to answer some questions. The big announcement is that for a while now I've been thinking about starting and creating a website. So I created a website that has a blog and a store in it. And so I am super excited. I've been down, as you can see, with a heating pad on every hour, doing exercises, physical therapy for 3 weeks. And I've wanted something to get my mind off of this. And so I created my website. My website will be named Snowprincess Lifestyle. And I will be launching it on the 20th. So in 2 days from now, I'm super excited. Like I said, it's going to have a blog in it where I'm just going to write about life and advice and just everything. And then it's also going to have a store in it. So in the store, one of the questions I wanted to answer is, what am I going to be selling? And the thing I'm going to start selling right away is a bunch of items that I have created that are called the Moon Collection. And the Moon Collection is a collection of DIYs that I've made that have to do with the moon and revolve around the moon. And it's in honor of my mom. She passed away about 16 months ago, and I wanted to create something in honor of her. So I created the Moon Collection, and I have a little trailer for you, so let's watch it. That's just some of the items I'm going to be selling in the Moon Collection. I am going to be launching another part of the Moon Collection, which is called the Fantasy Moon Collection, and it's going to basically have all of those DIYs I just showed you, except they're going to be amplified. It's all going to be about unicorns, imagination, fantasies, things like that. So there's a lot to come in my store. Make sure you check out my website in 2 days. I will share it on every social media platform that I have, so make sure you follow me. I am super excited about it. It's something I've wanted to do for a long time. So if you have any questions for me, ask them down below. I think I've pretty much talked about everything I wanted to in this video. I'm super excited, and please check out my website on the 20th in 2 days from now. I will have it in the links section, and I am just so excited about it. So I hope you guys will check it out, and I will see you in my next video soon. You stay tuned because my summer videos are gonna start soon. Bye!